Hello YouTubers, my name is Anthony Kuong and today I will be reviewing the Ponkar laptop USB-C charger that runs in 87 watts or 90 watts. It's a type C charger and I'm unboxing it right now. As you can see, I got it to replace my or actually use it as a spare MacBook Pro charger, USB charger, although it'll work for any other type C device, such as your iPhone or Samsung smartphones, or if you have any other types of laptops. So this is what the device looks like. So the dimensions are to your left, so it's 2.95 inches in length, and it's comparable to the MacBook Pro charger, which I'm going to demonstrate. So it's quite a small little unit. You can see it side by side. In terms of size, it's actually almost the same as the normal MacBook Pro charger that you can see. It is just a tad bit smaller, but it's exactly the same. So the big difference between the two is that the little plug notch at the end where you plug it in, you can't close that down. So on the MacBook Pro's charger, you can take the little dongle and it can collapse. So that's one of the big differences. The main reason why I got this is that it showed a very good review on Amazon, so that's where I got it from. So it's like 4.5, and it has an Amazon, really good pick choice. And what's amazing about this is it only costed me $39. So that's 39 Canadian dollars on the Amazon.ca. So instead of shelling like close to $100 for an official USB-C MacBook charger, I figured I could use and get this and to try it out. And if you read the reviews, you can see that most people are significantly happy with it, and it does save you a lot of money. So right now I'm basically plugging it in and just testing it out to see. So this is my this is MacBook Pro. I'm just plugging it in to ensure that everything is okay. And then here is the original charger. So you can see that they're comparable again, and it does work properly. I was able to get a charge, as you saw before. It was charging on the MacBook. So yeah, so if you guys enjoy this review, just remember to subscribe. So the purpose of this is just to show you the physical unit, and I actually did measure the cord length between the two. They're approximately the same, and the ends of the USB-C, you can see the end of the USB-C, but I don't think it's actually smaller than the original MacBook charger. The dimensions are almost identical. So again, the only difference I did find is the little plug at the end in the MacBook. You can actually retract that out. So there you go. You see that little retracting thing on the white MacBook Pro. And the plug, you can't pull that plug down on the Ponkar version. So yeah, let me know if any of you decide to get it. Let me know your findings as well. But I'm pretty happy with my purchase, and if anything changes, I will definitely keep you guys up to date. Well, have a great day, and I hope to see you again in one of my other reviews. Have a good day. Take care. Bye.